After last week's warmth and sunshine, we have a mixed week of weather ahead. Cloud, wind and rain. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday, first.
At least, Laura.
Although she's delivered fatter strawberries, which is...
I love a nice plump strawberry. It is Wimbledon, and just in time the weather changes. For those people who go to the queue, you get a sticker that says, I queued in the sun or I queued in the rain. They may need quite a few rain stickers. It's definitely cooler, but things perhaps turning a little more settled into next week. But it is nothing compared to some of the extreme weather that's been happening across Europe. So, over the weekend, for parts of Switzerland... So, yes, a quick world weather roundup for you there. This is the track of Hurricane Beryl through the next few days, through the Windward Islands, then tracking its way westwards. That is definitely one to follow as we head through the next few days. But what it means for us, actually, it's start to shift our jet stream. It will start to change our weather patterns because as the Atlantic hurricane season becomes more active, so do our weather fronts as they move across the Atlantic. So that will definitely be a game changer for us as we head through the next few days. It was high pressure that brought fine settled conditions last week, but low pressure will be in charge this week. Northern areas likely to see spells of rain most day. In the south, it is looking that bit drier. And temperature-wise, we sit around about average, so not feeling too bad when the sunshine comes out, but in short supply for many of us. So here's how it looks at the moment. A weather front through western areas. Some of this rain will be heavy, dry to start in the east. But as we head through the day, this band of rain marches eastward. So not welcome news for those who are heading to Wimbledon, as this band of rain looks set to arrive late afternoon, early evening, just in time for first play. Even Andy's camera is falling apart and excited by his competition. We're all back to normal. We're all safe now, Andy. That's good. Now, weather-wise, it has all changed for this week. Now, 1st of July today. Now, June was actually pretty cool. Cooler than average. It was drier than average and sunnier than average. We had that very... and highs of 21 degrees Celsius. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, let's take a look at our outlook. And we look at our trend, and it's across the north of the UK, first of all. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, our average line here in the middle, and temperatures remain below average for most of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK, close to the low pressure. More likely to see unsettled conditions. So the rain around today and tomorrow hints at things turning a little drier with more intermittent sunshine and showers by the end of the week and the weekend. Fortunes further south for England, Wales for the next 7 days. Again, temperature-wise, looking at our white line average, sitting around about maybe a little above average at times. So pleasant enough where the sunshine comes out, and hit and miss for the next few days. Some patchy rain around today, largely dry tomorrow. Wednesday and Friday look like we have some heavy showers, but then dry weather returns by the end of the weekend. Good morning to you. We start a new month with new weather. It is looking a little cooler than it was last week after the heat wave, and a little more unsettled as well. Today we have a band of rain that marches across the country, driest in the south, with temperatures sitting around about maybe a little below average. So first thing this morning, the satellite and radar picks out cloudy skies through western areas. Well, it is still looking unsettled as we head through the coming week. Last week we had the heat wave. That will be a distant memory. Temperatures around about average for many of us today and for the rest of the week, with spells of rain. But it won't be a washout. Every day there'll be some sunshine around, so let me point it out for you. Today, eastern areas start off cloudy, but then bright skies greet you so much of the day. So good morning to you. A very different week of weather ahead. No heat waves, temperatures sitting around about average, and temperature-wise, they may just climb a little by the end of the week. Today, we have a band of rain in the west. It will slowly spread its way eastward. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland after a dull morning, brighter this afternoon. Northern England, the Midlands and eastern England clouding over. Best of sunshine later for Wales and the southwest.